All right, you guys, today's the day. You are gonna be so stoked because I know he's gonna be excited because this car, as much as I love it, the doors go out. They go out. They do not go up. Just like the doors on this car. However, this is a real Lamborghini with a V10 engine, supercharged, and looks absolutely
I know you're excited
amazing.
right now, but the audience is more excited so they won't see you driving the C8 every single day. They want to see you driving
an exotic.
That is not an exotic.
It's not exotic, but it's a supercar.
Damon, get in your
it's
car.
a supercar. Okay, well, I'll get in my car. We're going to August Luxury
I
Motor
bought
Cars.
him a car.
884
I bought
McLaren
you a
Place.
car, buddy.
You didn't buy me anything. The wife bought me a car. Thanks, wifey.
Oh, you're welcome.
What do you want today?
Truck needs to be washed.
Your truck needs to be washed. The G-Wagon's gonna get washed. The C8's gonna get washed. The Squatter's gonna get washed. And we're off to take a car delivery. I don't know why I'm pointing at this, but it is a car. Hey, Dave.
Yeah. Get in your car.
Good old American supercar muscle. Oh, I think I got the heat on blast. Let's put on some air conditioning. Whoa, no, it's just hot in here. Woo, woo. Just soak it all in. Look at this day. Absolutely beautiful day for a brand new supercar delivery here on Daily Driven Exotic. Now, it's not all about me. It's exciting. Dave has this brand new Huracan on the channel, and we have all sorts of mods in the works. We have carbon fiber, like, out the wazoo, way more carbon fiber than I ever had on my car. And this car is gonna get twin turboed, so that's the obvious power upgrades. And we're gonna try to make this a really, really fast car, well over 1,000 horsepower. Now the Tire Slayer has around 1,000 horsepower to the crank. It's not to the wheels, but it is an extremely fast car. So when we're talking about building the next Huracan to have double that, that's no joke, which means at some point we're probably gonna have to put Dave into like a driving program to learn how to control this power. If you guys have a good driving program, you have a good driving instructor that you could recommend, please comment down below. We need a poll. Woo! She is on fire. Love this car. The titanium exhaust from 316 sounds so good. Someone's holding me up. Come on, Dave, move it. Welcome back to August Luxury Motor Cars, 884 McCurdy Place. Is this the delivery vehicle of my brand new supercar? Could it be? I am so excited. Brand new car delivery. In fact, it was already taken out of the trailer and it's right out front. Oh, damn, this is sick. RH Spider.
The best part.
Remember we were talking about a car for my daughter?
She had to start with like a V8. This is a V12.
Come on. This is a V10. It's
how
not a
old- how old
V12.
is she?
They don't make V12 R8s, but that's cool, Dave.
I said V8.
No, you didn't. Jamie, can you play that clip back?
This is a V.
V12.
I hear you guys are having a good day. Lots of car sales.
Lots of car
You
sales.
guys feeling
You like
good.
donuts, don't you?
I don't eat donuts. There we go. All right. They demoted him. He's the receptionist now.
And there's Damon right now, wondering where I am, so we can do his new car delivery. Well, before we can do that, Damon, we have to pay for it. Today's video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Okay, first we need a place to play. I found an office which is hidden from everybody. They won't know where I am, and that does not look important. Boom. Do you want to be a hero of your own fantasy? Well, Raid Shadow Legends is the most epic game. Reality is you can get deeply, deeply involved in this game. There's so many crazy things happening. They're always adding new updates, and the graphics are literally insane. Look how sick the graphics are. And I want to check this out. The tavern. Let's do some upgrades. I'm gonna select my favorite champion, Shannon. You guys, look at the graphics in this game. These are the champions. This one might be my favorite. This one's cool because it looks literally like Damon. Seriously, look. Alright guys, now I want to show you their brand new feature, the Tag Team Arena, which is the next level of competition PvP battles. Instead of a single 4 versus 4 battle like in the classic arena, it's actually a series of 3 4 versus 4 battles. It's the best of 3. Whoever wins the 2 battles wins the series. And since it's brand new, Raid is giving out some special rewards to whoever finishes with a high ranking. So if you're like me and you love competitive PvP with some huge rewards, you're gonna love Tag Team Arena. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in description to download Raid now and get exclusive rewards. Raid is free to play and it's available for both mobile devices and PC. If you're a new player, you'll get 100,000 silver coins plus 1 energy refill and 10 mystery shards plus 1 free champion. the Hex Waver, which is a really awesome champion that you can normally only get after playing the game for quite a while. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. Alright, you watched me play, now it's time for you to play. Download Raid, links in description for both mobile and PC. And if you want to play with me, look me up, Dave_DDE. I'll be in there.
Okay, before we do Dad's reveal, guess who just pulled up? Brought his little G-Wagon. You want to see a little G-Wagon?
Little G-Wagon, let's go check it out.
Come check out this little G-Wagon.
What is that?
What is that? Does that look different than Mom's? It's the same, it's black.
Probably the most ultimate thing I've ever seen in Kelowna. No offense, Mike. Your house isn't that fancy. Look at this.
I feel bad for any of the dudes in Kelowna who think that their big jacked up Ford or Chevy ain't got nothing on Raymond's 6x6. That is insane. This is
I'm 5'4" for reference.
This is $1 million USD. You're not even as tall as the fender flares that are made out of carbon fiber. Let go of the poop emoji. I know you like it. They're on all of Raymond's keys.
The interior is
Holy!
How sick is that? Look at this.
What is all this?
That's for the tire system, to deflate and inflate the tires.
Mine definitely does not have those options.
No, yours does not. Dude, I'll tell you this.
$1 million US.
He said
still has the same cup holder. The one on the floor.
Look at this stuff.
No, that's for the tires, to inflate the tires. Off the tires, off the tires.
Really?
Look at the size of this freaking thing. Hey, no pictures!
Resale, is it a smart buy? Are you gonna get your money back out of this once you buy it? What's a brake job cost?
What do you think?
I think we need one.
DD needs one.
Yes.
This is insane. Oh my God, look at it next to this. Oh my God. Ta-da! Hilarious. You ready to go for a ride?
Yep.
Let's go, buddy. Come on.
Oh, fist bump?
I want fist bump to that.
Do it again. In the 6x6, the first thing I noticed, the back seats are actually bigger. They extended it. You can see that little window right there. Okay, there's an off-road over there. We jump my G-Wagon. Let's jump this one.
Let's jump it.
Speed bump, speed bump.
Right here, right here, right here.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I gotta get out and film this.
Wow. Mike was yelling when we came in a little hot there because this thing's wide.
Jesus, Damon.
What?
You're bad, man.
We own the streets and the off-road.
At all these motor cars, every test drive involves this circuit over here. Mike doesn't care. Well, it's not slow. That's at Rabbit's too. We don't even feel the speed bump.
I thought we were gonna hit that like hard. Well, you didn't even feel it.
These guys are
Hold on, see how it
absolutely
handles.
insane. No, 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 no!
This thing's crazy, hey? Don't you love it? It feels better than my wife's G-Wagon.
Crazy, $1 million USD for this
$1
thing.
million bucks. We just hit the speed limit. It's not the fastest thing, but it's not slow for how much weight it's pushing.
The last time we were in a 6x6 was the Raptor, and what did we do?
We went through a drive-thru.
We went through a drive-thru. I could use an iced latte right now. It's pretty warm.
Spot me.
I'm a spotter. I'm gonna hop out.
Spot me. Is it good?
Hold on. Oh, you're good. You're good. You're good. Oh,
Whoa, it's close.
Grande cold brew there.
Can I get it with oat milk?
you.
I unfortunately
don't have oat milk here.
oat milk.
Can I get it with almond milk?
Yes, you can.
Can I actually get it with 2 pumps of sugar-free cinnamon dolce?
Absolutely.
What do you want, Dave?
It's a bottle of water.
Can I get a bottle of water also for my friend
Sure
that's
can.
very dehydrated? And Mike, what do you want? You look like a very berry hibiscus type of
No, he's a frappuccino guy. Venti, mocha
Did you say a
frappuccino.
fat Pacino?
Frappuccino.
Yep.
I'll get a grande frappuccino.
No, a small one.
A small one. Let's roll, boys. Let's roll.
How's your coffee, Mike?
It's really good.
That is not low cal, Mr. Meal Plan.
Your water.
Jump in. You guys gotta go to SR Auto Group. Okay, we'll put it right here on the screen and give him a follow, please. Raymond is the man. He's been supporting me since literally day 1 of DDE. He always gives us his vehicles, no questions asked, major trust, just like our boys at August, our best, closest friends of DDE. So please give him a follow, because most people wouldn't give us one of these trucks.
Dude, this guy's like, hell yes. People are like, what the hell is this thing? It's a 6x6.
G-Wagon with 6 tires, like, duh. I feel like this is a thing, like, you could be totally not paying attention, and you could drive over the fire hydrant and not even know.
Fancy seeing you here.
That's okay, I'll just Why are you sitting on the sidewalk?
Some guy took my car.
We just had a guy in a Dodge pull up, and he was like,
Yeah.
he was in one of those power wagons. I was like, you ain't got shit on this. Come on, baby Dave.
You got that leg, you got this leg.
And we pull.
Yeah, and then you fall on your face.
Like a gazelle.
Look at this, and it's got insane wheels. Look at the suspension.
There are air tanks for the tires.
This thing is nuts. What? Man, I thought my Hummer was cool. Nope. What do you guys think? Hummer or this? How hard are these to get?
You can't get them in the States anymore.
What do you mean, this doesn't pass emissions?
Not anymore. It used to.
All right, I want to show my wife and daughter the brand new car. Look, it's sold. I bought Dave's car from Daily Driven Exotics. This is the brand new car to the channel for me. What do you think, Presley? What do you think? Do you believe that this is the car I bought? No?
I don't want this because I heard the new exhaust on it. I want no.
Way too loud?
You want that in your driveway, in your garage?
All jokes aside, guys, which I think you knew, I didn't buy this car. Our brand new Daily Driven Exotic is right out these doors. This is it. It's got the Ala, and it says right here, little hint for you. What kind of car is it? Do you think that's the kind of car it is, Presley? Yeah. Dave, go to the front. Presley, you and I are gonna pull the cover off. Ready? Let's pull it off, sweetie. Woo! You guys have been waiting for it. A new McLaren build on Daily Driven Exotics. I'm so excited. And it's got all the carbon, look, carbon inserts, carbon in the headlights, carbon front splitter, carbon in between the roof because this has the Gorilla Glass. So it's got P1 doors, baby! Doors go up, carbon inserts in here, carbon on the rear bumper. I'm super excited. Dave and I have both wanted a 720 on the channel for quite some time. This was really my goal for a long time, the McLaren I wanted to get into. So we have some crazy plans for this, things that no one has ever done before on the internet. Yes, I know there's been a couple of people who've had this car, but they ain't gonna do what I'm gonna do to this car. This car is gonna be so insane. We're gonna build the motor, and this is gonna give Dave's car a run for his money. We're gonna shoot for 13 and 1500 wheel horsepower with a fully built motor, upgraded trans, clutch, upgraded turbos. We're gonna make this thing an absolute DD missile. Ready to go for the first drive in the 720?
I love this car.
I know. You're a big fan of this car.
Yes.
It's got the soft closed doors, so it'll pull it in for you. Pretty fancy.
I think you should leave it white.
No.
Watching you two have fun.
Get out of here. Wanted this car for so long. This is a 2019 720S Coupe. The performance package, so it's got the glowing red light over the engine, all the carbon, crazy interior package, different
So
little
much.
bits of color and Alcantara.
I like this.
You love it?
Yeah, this is my favorite car.
It's your favorite car now? You wanna go for a little drive?
Holy.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Now we can go. Look at this. I can make it so that the car can go all the way out to there.
That's this track. We're not on a track.
Just wanted to see how it performed. We'll head back to the dealership. It was a great first test drive.
Jesus.
Round up here.
Oh,
What do you think?
oh my God. I don't know. That part right back there? I had my eyes closed. Oh. God. Get me out of this car.
Love it. And that concludes our test flight for the day.
I couldn't even give it a valid response.
She did good, guys. She did good. Let's get up. What a machine. I can't wait to get this thing modified. Look at it. doors go up. Huge thank you to August Luxury Motor Cars, 884 McCurdy Place. You guys need a car, give these guys a call. Wifey, huge thanks to you for not throwing up in the new car. Boom. Your favorite car?
Yeah, I love it.
Wait till you see what I do to it. You're gonna flip. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestions as to what should be the first mods, we will be doing the basic stuff. Wheels, full carbon aero kit. At some point we need to wrap it a wild color. I think we need to bring back some crazy colors, some crazy patterns to DD. And you know, we gotta bring back the bang and the exhaust note. We gotta make this thing louder. We gotta make it crazier. Make it like whoop, 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 whoop.
I think you should do like a DD version of a digital camo. I think that would look
You
good.
like that, hey? Camo girl. Look at, she's even got the little cheetah panties.
Well, I was at the gym.
Thank you. I love you.
Love you too.
So what do you think? DD's got the 720 finally, baby.
Sick. Love it.
It's gonna be crazy.
Okay, you two are boring. Damon, we need a DDE donut to break the 720 in. Right here, Mike, is that cool? I don't care, Damon, get in the car, go, 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 go.
Let's do it.
You
Wouldn't
can
be
do it
DD
here?
if it wasn't.
It would not be DDE if it was not. Well, you did it.
Yeah.
You gotta work for it in this car.
We'll dial it in so that it's tire slayer too. I think it'll work once it has 1,300 wheel horsepower in the rear. Guys, that's it for this video. If you want to pick up some DDE merch, it's right here. We also have hats, key tags, all sorts of cool stuff. It's at shopdd.com. First drive was amazing. You like it? She's freaking out. We got variable drift control to work. We haven't even done anything crazy. Wait till I take her out on a track. We'll see you in the next video. Smash the subscribe button. 720S madness coming your way. Peace.
What's he
I'm
doing?
gonna take my wifey for a drive, Presley. You're gonna stay with Uncle David. He's gonna take care of you for a minute.
Or you took care of him. You survived
down the
the
road.
last one, so you're good.
We made 15 leather wallets that day.